Khorang The Voice tini naidi Pakistan na achaima bagwi tini Tripura bubagra rokni yakni kwmana nangkha 1947 no lamsugo Khorang The Voice hayungo Indra Mujibni agreement 19 March 1972 o 10,15,000 refugee eba sharanarthi rokno Tripura, Assam, West Bengal o tonoi rwjakmani tinibu India ni government ni thani kifiloi rohorjakmani record mungsabu laibuma nukjakyakho tabuk sungmung achayo a kwbangma borok rok sabo tei tabuk borok Pakistan na achaima bagwi tini Tripura bubagra rokni yakni kwmana nangkha 1947 o Pakistan na achaima bagwi tini Bangladesh achaina nangkha Pakistan na achaima bagwi tini Tripura haktor eba desh tongmani haste eba state ongna nangkha 15 March 1949 o Pakistan na achaima bagwi tini Tripura India bai thangna nangkha Pakistan na achaima bagwi tini Tripura Bangladesh bisingo kwbangma Tripura ni bubagra eba raja rokni ha kaklangna nangkha 1947 o Pakistan na achaima bagwi tini Tripura ni tiprasa rok tongthai kesep ongna nangkha sakni chapaya nangpaya hao chirigui sanai chana nangkha lama rogo bohaino nokharna nangkha Pakistan na achayakhe Bangladesh achaigla khamuk tei Tripura bo India bai thangna nangla khamuk tiprasa rokbo tongkesebo kalaigla khamuk aboni bagwi no Tripura Royalsion bubagra Pratyut Bikram Manik Deborma Pakistan ni Bilawal Buttono Markheno eba Mims namui lachimung ribu ongremano Nigerian Pakistani American Bangladeshi Canadian refugee foreigners bideshi illegal immigrants eba phatarhani borok je borok India ni ongya Indian hunjagya borok no India ni ongya hungke jotono mathangnai Arunachal bo illegal immigrants tabuk rwkhlaijagwi tongo APSO organization ni bisingtwi Chakma Hajong Bhutanese Nepali Tibetan rok abo haike yang Assam West Bengal Tripura Meghalaya Gujarat rokobo tabuk refugee rwkhlaijagwi tongkha tabuk sungmung achayo bukung bara hapung hatayo tongnai tiprasa chimida Indian tiprasa chimida yago Indian flag tui phatarhani eba illegal immigrants rokno rwkhlaina kalai Tripura o illegal immigrants phatarhani kwbangma borok tongkhe eba habui tongkhe India ni bagwi thinang kirima sungsa jora onglakda eba ongyada kalaino Tripura tabuk bubagra bosong rokni onglia Tripura tabuk India ni se ongkha tei Tripura ongkha tabuk India eba India ni yago paithago obono kotor sungmung kok achayo India hapang Tripura ni bwsa tiprasa tei Tripura no mathangwi tonna hungke naikolna denang nangya sadi lukurok norokni wansukma tamo Tripura ni thinang phainai jorani bagwi nainaidi bubagra tamo saka paithago Pakistan ni Bilawal Buttono
ये पाकिस्तान को कोई और मिला नहीं कि वो अपने ही पैर में कुल्हाड़ी मार रहा है ये डेलीगेशन जो जा रहा है पूरे दुनिया में इंडिया को एक्सपोज करने के लिए उसका लीडर क्या नाम है उसका बिलावल भुट्टो यार वो उर्दू भी ठीक से नहीं बोल सकता और अगर आपको अपना देश का मजाक उड़ाना है तो ही इज द परफेक्ट चॉइस क्या बोला उसने इमरान खान ने एक बार बोला था उसने ये कहा था जब बारिश होती है तो पानी आता है और जब ज्यादा बारिश होती है तो और ज्यादा पानी आता है और अभी बिलावल ने कहा कि रात के अंधेरे में कौन आते हैं बुज़दिल आते हैं आई मीन यार अगर आपको अपना मजाक पूरे दुनिया में करना है तो इंडिया का दरकार ही नहीं है आपका लीडर खुद ही अपना देश का मजाक उड़ा रहा है आई फील बैड फॉर द स्मार्ट इंटेलिजेंट यंग पाकिस्तानी सो मेनी टैलेंटेड पीपल तभी भी इनको बिलावल ही मिला अपने मुल्क को शर्म करने के लिए
Meanwhile, refugees begin trickling into India. The widespread genocide resulting from Operation Searchlight leads to approximately 10 million people fleeing East Pakistan and taking refuge in the neighboring Indian states of West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura. India spends several crores a day on food, shelter and medical attention of the refugees.
It's really difficult to say, but as you know and as you must have realized since you're here, that this whole situation has posed a very, very heavy burden on us. And no matter what happens there, I think we're in for very great difficulty. We already have over 1 million refugees who've crossed the border. and it's upset the economy of the area, the political life. I mean, it's just upset things completely. And we don't want to be saddled with these people for good. I mean, it's all right. We are willing to help out to keep them while their lives and their homes are in danger. But we think they should go back after it's all over.
Well, what would they go back to though? What if Pakistan were still, if West Pakistan were still occupying or being difficult to East Pakistan?
It has to be worked out somehow.
Yes.
Because we certainly can't afford to add to our population. Now, one small town with a population of which is 7,000, 4 days ago, they had 60,000 refugees. So you can understand that all schools, hospitals, shops, everything was occupied. I mean, they just didn't know where they were.
Do you think that these events make long-term peaceful arrangements between India and Pakistan more difficult than they were before Bangladesh happened?
Well, this certainly is the fighting there and the manner in which the government of Pakistan has handled this whole situation is certainly jeopardizing peace in this area.
Khorang The Voice.